Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a marketing campaign with Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by creating your Mailchimp account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Mailchimp homepage and click on Sign Up Free. Fill in your email, username, and password to create your account. Once you verify your email, log in to your Mailchimp dashboard.
Click on Create Campaign to begin planning your marketing campaign.
Select email from the campaign options available. Name your campaign to keep your projects organized. Choose your audience or create a new list if needed.
Customize your audience settings to ensure you reach the right people.
Next, select a template for your email. Mailchimp offers various pre-designed templates you can customize. Click on Design Email to start editing the template. Add your branding elements such as your logo and color scheme.
Incorporate compelling images that resonate with your message.
Craft persuasive content that encourages your audience to engage.
Be sure to include a clear call to action that directs readers on what to do next. Preview your email to see how it will look on both desktop and mobile devices.
Send a test email to yourself to check for any errors or issues. Once you're satisfied, click on the Continue button. Schedule your campaign or send it immediately based on your strategy.
Monitor the campaign's performance through Mailchimp's reporting features.
Track key metrics such as open rates and click rates.
Use the insights gained to optimize future campaigns for better results.
Continue to refine your approach based on the feedback and performance of your emails.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.